Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately: finding balance in life.
As someone who has struggled with balancing different aspects of my life, I know firsthand how challenging this can be, but I've also learned some valuable lessons along the way, and I want to share them with you.
So what does balance mean to me? To put it simply, it's about finding harmony between different areas of my life. As someone who works full-time, manages a family, and pursues personal interests, I've learned that finding balance is not about dividing my time equally between each area. Rather, it's about being intentional about how I spend my time and prioritizing what matters most to me. The first step in finding balance is to assess your current situation. Take some time to reflect on how much time you're spending on work, relationships, hobbies, and personal time. This can be eye-opening, as it may reveal that you're spending more time on certain areas than you realized. Next, identify your priorities. What matters most to you? For me, it's my family, my work, and my personal interests. By identifying these priorities, I can make sure that I'm spending my time and energy on the things that matter most. Another important aspect of finding balance is setting boundaries. This means learning to say no to things that don't align with your priorities. It can be hard to turn down opportunities, but it's important to remember that your time is valuable, and you want to make sure you're using it in a way that supports your goals and values. Practicing self-care is also crucial for finding balance. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential for your well-being. Whether it's taking a yoga class, going for a walk, or reading a book, make sure to prioritize activities that help you feel relaxed and refreshed. Finally, create a schedule that works for you. Use the information you've gathered to create a schedule that balances your priorities and allows you to live your life to the fullest. Remember, balance is not about being perfect, it's about being intentional and making choices that support your well-being. So there you have it, my perspective on finding balance in life. It's not always easy, but it's worth the effort. By being intentional about how you spend your time and prioritizing what matters most to you, you can create a life that feels balanced and fulfilling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.